This video will be going over client records, which you can find as the first tab under records. These will be a list of all your different households. You could treat this as a glorified Excel sheet. So to add different columns, you can select this 3-barred button and add whichever column you're looking for. So if I added LinkedIn, you can see on the right-hand side, it appears. You can also add it the very last column and add whatever you would like. You can rearrange the order of the columns by clicking the 3 dots. You can also hide the columns, which would remove them from the default view. You can bulk select, which we went over in another video. You can also filter. So you can filter based on tags by clicking this and then selecting which tags you want to filter for. You can always clear the filter by clicking this X, and you can do the same for tier or any other custom field. So if I did email, it will also filter for whatever text that you enter in. You can clear this filter if you decide you don't want it anymore. Up here are different views. We have some defaulted, such as all clients, client address list, client tag list, but then you can also create more default views. So for example, you can create a default view by clicking the plus button. If you want this view to be on your book only or company wide, then name it. I'll name this test 1. So now this test 1 view will always be available in this top bar. Here, I can filter for a specific tag or a specific filter. Up in the top right, I can save for everyone. So now every time I come back to this test 1 view, it will have saved that filter. You can also create a view by filtering on the main page. And then up in the top right, you can save as a new view. You can download all the households in a view by clicking this button in the top right. You can search for anything within this view, and you can add a new client manually by clicking this green button in the top right and adding the information. If you wanted to add multiple clients at the same time, simply toggle this on and it will quickly flash between different new client cards. And then when you're done adding all the new records, you can simply exit out. Under clients, there are a few other tabs. So this was the household tab. If we go to the people tab, these are individual people within the households, which you can do the same things as the household view, such as filtering on specific filters and saving and creating views. In the Reviews tab, it will keep track of when your last review meeting was and when your next one is due. So you could create different views to help you keep track of meetings that need to be scheduled, upcoming reviews, overdue reviews, and touchpoint tracking. You can change this cadence for both reviews and touchpoint tracking in settings. The last tab under clients are past clients. These are clients that are no longer active or you're no longer servicing. You can do the same as you can in other views by filtering based on tags or other filters and saving views. You can move clients from active households to past clients by simply selecting the households that you would like to move and then going to the 3 dots and clicking Archive to Past Client.